Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make page relocation in HTML and JavaScript. So in this video I'll show you how you can make code that will automatically redirect to a different page when you go to a certain page. So I have two files here, an HTML file which is empty and it has a script tag which is also empty, and a location.html file which is empty except for a single paragraph which says hello world. So we're going to make it that when you go to the index.html file, it will automatically relocate to location.html. So in the script tag, in the head, we're going to write window.location.ref equals, now in quotation marks we're going to put URL, so let's put that as location.html. And now when I press run, it will automatically run index.html, and if our code works, that should relocate to location.html, and so it should show us hello world. So when I press run now, you can see after almost immediately it shows hello world, which tells us that it has redirected to a different page, in our case location.html. You can also change the URL over here to whatever you want. It can be a website, it can be any URL, and it will automatically relocate there. So that's how to make page relocation in HTML and JavaScript. Thank you for watching.